Yeah, this is the biggest Tupperware that I have. I don't think it's gonna fit in here. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely not gonna fit in here. Shit. And unfortunately, I ran out of hefty bags. That's a bummer. I don't like how it's touching the wall of the Tupperware. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not set in like freely. But it is what it is. I'm just gonna have to use this. So I seasoned it. Looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Here's a better look. And this is what I use, by the way. Should be fire. Yeah, I definitely need to go legit food shopping and buy like hefty bags. What else do I need? Oh yeah, I definitely need hot sauce. I have no hot sauce in my house.